God, there's a stop sign on a hill. I'm not real thrilled about that. Hello everybody, we're here at Wolf Creek Falls Preserve this morning. It's a wintry mix out right now, so we're getting pelted with some ice pellets and rain, but we're hoping to, you know, beat the snow home because we're due to get 6 to 7 inches today throughout the day. So we're gonna hit this up real quick and
hopefully see some waterfalls.
Covered in ice. So according to the map, the red trail bridge is out, so we want to take the yellow to the white to see the waterfalls. And from what we're looking at the map, we have to walk down the road a little bit to get to the entrance of the yellow trail. So we're hoping that's right. I'm going to pull up the All Trails app and make sure we're on track as we walk down the road. Change of plans. We're not sure where that yellow trail starts, so we're going to just plug in here and see if we can cross at the creek crossing. And if not, then I guess we're calling it an early day. It's pretty in here.
It is.
White trail loop. Doink! White trail loop. So road crossing, that must be for if you want to get on the other side of the road trails. We're going to stay on the white loop over here so we can see the waterfalls. Another road crossing area here. And looks like this road crossing part is part of the Long Path Trail. It starts down in New York City and heads up north. We're staying on the white. Nice stone wall sections in here. All right, junction for the red or orange and white. Staying on the white. The stone walls in here are pretty nice. They're all throughout. All right, another junction here. That'll take you out to the road, I believe. We're gonna still stay on the white trail, even though we think this is not the right side of the road for the waterfalls. But we're gonna commit to it. Oh, geez. Nice little bench.
That snow coming down, huh?
No, it's so pretty. Everything's getting soaked. Okay, so we were not on the right side of the road for the white trail for the waterfall, so we are going to switch over here to the long path and the red marker trail and hope we can cross at the bridge, cross the road and see the waterfalls that way. So let's see if we can do it. Baby waterfalls. Oh, let's go check out the baby waterfalls. They're probably not running today. Just step off for a minute and take a peek here. Wow, that water's really clear. Whew. and very deep snow. We promised you a waterfall. There it is. That's a baby waterfall.
That is a big one.
Ooh, the snow is deep. The water is
Oh, the
gorgeous.
bugs come out.
I mean, it's so clear.
It is. I bet you it's so cool.
Whew. All right. Crossing the road. I see sign over there.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, it's weird walking in spikes on blacktop.
It's hard, right?
Yeah. We'll see how this goes.
What's green?
That's a long path.
Oh,
Woo. Watch for the post holes. Woo. Red trail. Long path trail.
Red trail. Long path.
It's real deep right there, you know? Mm-hmm. All right, we're heading down in. There's some icy section over there of waterfall. A little ravine.
You can hear it.
Yeah, that's a good sign, right?
Yeah.
Oh, the railroad tracks. Whew, jeez. Well, since they invited us, we'll venture to the bench and have our lunch. Now, getting over there without completely sinking in.
Well, maybe I'll loop around. Or...
It says this way.
Oh, all right.
Oh, we just gotta plunge over. Oh, oh Jesus! Oh my God! That's deep. Damn. Holy crap, man. Well, this is how we're gonna eat our lunch, I guess. Tasty lunch, back on trail. The snow is definitely picking up now. Yeah, Kathleen don't know where we are. Jesus Christ! Oh my God! That's up to my freaking back of my calf. Jeez. Yeah, be careful there. Whew. Definitely softer on this side. Oh, this is pretty. This must be one of the waterfall areas. Do you want to walk over there, or you don't want to chance it?
I did it.
What? Oh, maybe we shouldn't. We have been post-holing.
Yeah, but there's other people. I mean...
But other people did it. We can too. All right, we'll just one step at a time here.
Do you want my whole...
No, I'm fine. I just... Hoping it holds me. Oh, it sounds nice.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, it was right under there. You only hear it right there.
That's crazy.
That was nuts. Wow. Oh, geez.
What do you think?
Oh, shit. We probably shouldn't. If it's cracking underneath us.
It's not cracking. It's just.
Settling. See what I mean?
Oh, yep. All right.
So let's go back.
Okay.
Yeah, we're not going to take a chance. It's crackling under us. It's probably thick enough, but I don't want to be that person, you know? This sounds really cool right here. You can hear the running water in this section only. You hear that? And the falls are right up there. Oh, Jesus. Oh, that's really pretty. Wow, I bet this is really nice in the summer. Beautiful. All the rock croppings up there. This has got to be the main falls. This is crazy. We think those are the main falls right there. Very pretty. You can hear them running underneath there, but a lot of ice. Beautiful. That was a steep section, man. Whew. So the falls dead ends out, and then you go back just a little bit and get back on the white trail. All right. So we did the waterfalls. I don't believe we're going that way. So we can either do the blue trail or keep on the white trail. Let me look at all trails quick. We're gonna take the blue. All right, looks like we're on a blue-yellow connector trail, so we're gonna take this to the yellow trail and then out to the road to find the parking lot again. Whew, man, that snow is really picking up. This bridge looks a little dicey, be careful. Oh man. Oh geez. Oh shit. Feet are falling in. Be careful. Oh my god, the roads are shitty. It'll be slow going home. So I think this trail right here is the trail on the other side of the road that we did, where we were like, oh, that goes out to the road. So that's where that goes. I think we're just gonna stay on the road to go down here on the get to the parking lot so we can get out of here, because it's really coming down and the roads look like they're,
Is this the right way?
yeah, not great. All right, so we're heading back to the car, just gonna stick on the road because as you can see behind us, the weather's really gotten bad. So we're gonna head back up the hill and hope we can. So we'll see you out there, everybody. Be safe.
These flakes are fucking crazy.
Yeah, these flakes are huge. Oh, we made it back here all right. We got stuck going up Witter Road Hill and had to back down it. Then we had to back into a driveway to make room for a plow truck coming down the same road and got stuck in the driveway. Luckily, after a few tries, we got unstuck and made it safely back to Eagle's Landing. No video of that as it was super slick. We had a great time walking in the woods and checking out Wolf Creek Falls Preserve.